Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just slayed this lace front. I'm loving this bob because I always get my hair really long and I feel like it's time for a change. I need something different. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I slayed this lace front. So if you'd like to see how I slayed this lace front, just keep on watching, guys. So the first step you want to do is you want to make sure that you're placing your wig in the correct spot, just so that when you glue it down it's not uneven. So that's what I'm going to be doing right here. So now that I've found the right placement of my wig, I'm going to start to glue it down. And the glue that I'm using is the Bold Hold Active Glue. And I like to do mine in sections because I feel like it's easier for me that way. So I'm just going to start with the front, and I'm also using 2 layers. And you don't want to use too much glue all at once, just so you can have a thin and even layer. Just to help it dry a little bit quicker, I'm using my blow dryer on a cool setting. And now that I'm actually about to glue it down, I'm just going to make sure that it's still in the right place. And then I'm going to put the wig a little bit over the glue that I did apply, because I'm going to go back in with the glue to secure the front down. And you'll see exactly what I'm talking about later on in the video. So how I learned to kind of like melt the lace into my skin is just to use a comb and just kind of like press it down. And the same process goes for the sides also. I'm just gonna spread even layers of the glue, and I do use 2 layers of glue on both sides. So this is the process that I did mention earlier. I'm just placing the glue in the areas that I need to, just so I can finish melting my lace in the front. And I really started doing the process like this because I used to get a lot of hair on the glue, and it just looked really nasty and it wasn't as sleek as I wanted it to be. So this way has been a lot easier for me. So now for the fun part. This is my favorite part actually. I love using the edge booster for my baby hairs because I feel like it doesn't make it hard and nasty. So I'm just going to be using this to create my baby hairs, and then I'm going to tie it down afterwards for about 15 minutes just so I can have it laid and slayed, honey. So I actually don't have a clip of me tying my hair down. So the next step we are gonna go to is using a, what do you call this? A hot comb. This is the one that you plug in. So I got this from the beauty supply store. It's about probably like $20. So I use this to just lay my hair down, make it really flat and nice and sleek. because I don't want any bumps. I want it to be nice and flat. And then for the last step, I'm going to be using the Got2b Freeze Spray. And I'm just going to spray just so I can have all my flyaways in control. And it just looks nice and flat and sleek. Tell me I didn't do a good job on this, because I'm feeling myself right now. I feel like can't nobody talk to me right now. And look at this highlight, y'all. My makeup is actually really popping. And I did it in like 20 minutes because I was really rushing because I needed my face to look real nice. So I'm really proud of how my look came out, and if you stayed with me for this long to the end of the video, I really appreciate it. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also turn your bell notifications on so that you can see every time I post a video. So if you guys really like this look, let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I would really like to know. And also, if you would like to see specific videos from me, let me know. So just comment down below or just let me know on Instagram. I'll link all my social media in the description box like I always do. So if you want to check out like my other pages, just feel free to click the links. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.